fashion designers from our country is coming to showcase their latest collection here. It's basically a day of celebration. আমি ফ্যাশন সেলিব্রেট করি, আমি ফ্যাশনৰ লগত বেচিকেলি বহুতবাৰ আমি কওঁ যে কাপোৰ হয়, কিন্তু ফ্যাশনৰ লগত কনফিডেন্স আহে। আপুনি যদি ভাল কাপোৰ পিন্ধি পেলাই মিৰৰ আগত থিয় হৈ যায়, আপুনি আগে ইমান ভাল লাগিছোঁ, you feel like you're very confident. So basically this entire evening is about building confidence amongst people through fashion, and that's why we're calling this the chicest fashion festival. It's not just a fashion show. এতিয়া মই আপোনাক চবৰ লগত ইন্ট্ৰডাকশ্যন কৰাই দিম ইয়াতে। So Pritam will be showcasing his collection. Next is my very dear friend. I've worked with him before. He's Arnav Sengupta. Arnav is a name in fashion in West Bengal in India. Has done multiple shows across the world. His brand Abru, am I right, Arnav, is doing fantastic, and he's now reaching stars and becoming big internationally. So thank you so much, Arnav, for coming and joining us.